Hi, this is Michaela Minkler. We are going to go over classifying integers. So in order to classify integers, we are going to go over what natural/counting numbers are, what whole numbers are, and what integers are. So first thing is, what is a natural counting number? That is the positive whole counting numbers, and they begin with one. So think about it's the numbers that you can basically count on your fingers. Some examples are 1, 22, 42. Whole numbers are all natural numbers and 0. So examples could be 0, 45. And this is basically a division problem written as a fraction. 32 divided by 8 is 4. So that 4 is a whole number. Integers are all whole numbers and their opposites. What I mean by opposites is negatives. So for example, -9 could be 1, -8, 4, which simplifies to -2. -43, those are all examples. So I'm going to put these examples in this graphic right here. We have our integers. These only can be classified as integers, so they are going in the integer part of the graphic. Then we have whole numbers. Whole numbers are also considered integers, but their most specific category or description is a whole number. And then natural numbers, I'm going to put in here. So these are also whole numbers, also integers, but their most specific description or specific term is natural counting numbers. We are going to look at a number line. And we need to understand that the more right we go of 0, our numbers are getting more positive or bigger. The more left of 0 we go on the number line, the more negative. Or smaller our numbers are getting. Okay, we are going to classify each number as a natural, whole, or integer number using the most specific term. -2 is going to be an integer. 15 is a natural number, also known as a counting number. 0 is a whole number. 4, or sorry, -34 is an integer. 16 over 4 simplifies to 4 wholes, so that is a natural number. -5 is an integer. 83 is a natural number. -1 is an integer. And -78 divided by 2 is an integer. I'm going to go ahead and write this is 4 and this is -36. Great. I appreciate you watching.